Amazon's 5 cool and trendy gadgets for everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Techi Zone, your favorite YouTube channel. Today's interesting video will discuss Amazon's 5 cool and trendy gadgets for everyone. There's a place for being stylish and smart for every fashionista. Keeping gadgets that make you look cool is a trendy way to maintain your appeal. Keeping some stylish, cool devices in your home or workplace will not only make you super incredible, but will also make your life easier. Before we begin our video, we'd like you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Let's start with our list of amazing gadgets for a smarter and cooler you. Number 1. Apple AirTags. The Apple AirTags is a handy and simple tool for reuniting you with misplaced items. They're easy to set up and operate, and the precision finding feature can help you find misplaced goods quickly. If you frequently hide objects in your home only to forget where you put them later, or if you frequently lose expensive items at random, AirTags can assist you in locating them. Attach an AirTag to the object before hiding it, and then use your iPhone to find it when you're ready. You'll never again lose something on the couch. Apple's AirTag, $29, takes advantage of tight iOS interaction and the world's vast network of iOS devices to develop Bluetooth trackers that are unusually simple to set up, operate, and track down compared to Tile, the current industry leader. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, the AirTag is a stylish and enjoyable method to trace your misplaced electronics. Number 2. This Hatch Restore, a cool alarm clock. If you're bored of your dull sleep pattern and want something to help you relax before bed and keep your sleep-awake schedule, this Hatch Restore, a trendy alarm clock, is for you. Allow Hatch to revamp your sleep schedule for good sleep and much more energetic days. Hatch Restore is a Bluetooth alarm clock that also functions as a soundscape, relaxing, and meditating machine, making it easier to establish a sleep pattern. It's also a color-changing bedroom lamp that can simulate sunsets to help you rest at night, and sunrises to help you wake up as nature intended. Hatch Restore can accomplish many things, but the essential thing it can do is help you build a soothing pre-sleep nighttime routine, assist you in maintaining a normal sleep-wake cycle. It functions as an alarm clock, sound machine, Bluetooth speaker, multicolor bedroom lamp, and nightlight to help you wake up naturally, simulate a sunrise. Buy now to take control of your sleep. Number 3. Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch. If you want a device that combines smartwatch and fitness functions, the Apple Watch Southeast or Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 are better in terms of performance and third-party user-friendliness. If you're looking for a device that accurately measures activity, provides good sleep tracking, and has a variety of health functions such as superb stress tracking, along with some basic wristwatch capability, the Fitbit Sense 2 is fantastic and in a class of its own. The Fitbit Sense 2 features a beautiful, solid design with rounded edges, corners, and a rounded back. It's more streamlined than its predecessor, the Fitbit Sense, and has fewer angles, resulting in a softer overall design. The Fitbit Sense 2 is packed with features. The all-day body response tracking, which employs the CEDA sensor to help recognize when your body is experiencing signs of stress, is the show's star. When Sense 2 detects a change, it will notify you and ask you to reflect on how you feel, with options such as stressed, sad, excited, and calm. In addition to stress management and vitality features, the Sense 2 does everything else you'd expect from a fitness watch, such as counting steps, distance, and calories, as well as established GPS, innovative sleep tracking, blood oxygen monitoring with a SpO2 sensor, and fully automated workout tracking. To begin your voyage of fashion, fitness, and classiness, purchase this watch by clicking on the link in the description. Number 4. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. The most recent Arlo Pro Series camera is an excellent gadget with many functions. It has a long list of features, including 2K HDR resolution, a 160-degree field of view, two-way communication, full-color night vision, a built-in siren and floodlight, and connectivity with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This powerful camera is only $200, which is a bit more expensive than some super cheap alternatives like the Wisecam V3 for $3 per month. You can get smart alerts, movement zones, 30 days of event data, and a few other amazing features. The local storage feature on this wireless outdoor security camera allows you to safely store videos sent from your home surveillance system to your Arlo base station. This intelligent buzzer features 2 audio channels and motion detection zones, arm/disarm modes, and an inbuilt siren. It's also simple to install. The battery in the Arlo video doorbell can go for up to 6 months without recharging. In conclusion, the Arlo Pro 4 is a great home security camera for most people. Number 5. Simple Human Sensor Mirror Hi-Fi. The Sensor Mirror Hi-Fi features a sleek, modern style that will blend in with almost any bathroom or powder room decor. The mirror's base and back are polished stainless steel, whereas the myriad of glass with aluminum covering. The base is 9.1 inches broad and 4.1 inches tall, while the mirror is 15 inches in diameter. The Simple Human Sensor Mirror Hi-Fi is a fantastic device with customizable light settings and an integrated speaker that works with Amazon Alexa. The Simple Human Sensor Mirror Hi-Fi is capable of much more than merely mirroring your view. Thanks to various adjustable light settings, you may use an app to dial in exactly the right amount of light for flawless makeup application or shaving. It's also a surprisingly capable smart speaker with Amazon Alexa connectivity. It's a charming addition to your vanity, if a touch extravagant, at a very economical rate. Smart technology is an excellent method to improve comfort and convenience. Life has become tremendously convenient as a result of technological advancements. We can make our lives notably smarter and more convenient with these fascinating smart technologies. That concludes today's video. We hope you found it interesting. See you soon with another amazing video. Until then, bye.